Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. It's very important for me to do this video today as today is the beginning of a new month and also the closing of a weekly candle. So it's always very important that we pay attention to closing of candles as this indicates what the market is most likely going to do in the coming week. So today is the last day of the week and also the first day of the month of March. I welcome you to a new month of opportunity in the Nigerian stock market. So let's just look at what the index is saying. Let's look at what the market is saying. Let's see what the possibility is going to be in the month of March. I'll be doing a short video today, but tomorrow expect a longer video where I'll be looking at the insurance sector, and if I can also take another sector and do analysis, and let's see what the chart is saying concerning those instruments. The all share index of the Nigerian stock market closed bearish for the month of February. What does this indicate? Looking at the monthly chart, I can see that we have a bearish RMA. We have a very bullish month of January, followed by a small body candle and a bearish candle for the month of February. Remember, this is happening at a resistance. If you refer to my previous video, you know I will explain how I drew this channel. There are two channels here. We are actually at the midpoint of this second channel and market is finding resistance at that level. When you step the chart down to the daily chart, you can see that we already have a bearish divergence at a resistance, and the weekly we're having 2 weeks of bearish candle, though this candle is going to close today, but you can see that there is a support around here. So I expect that this will push price up, but I do not expect that it will push the price higher than this high. Now let me mark this high as this is going to be a resistance. This level of 106 is going to be a resistance. Where is the next support? Every time price hits a resistance, is coming for a support. And when the support breaks the resistance, let's say price comes this way to this support, and this support is able to break this resistance, we will say that this support is strong, the resistance is weak. But if this resistance comes and hits here and is not able to break this resistance, let's say price now moves like this, come for a support here and comes like this, and it's not able to break and come like this and broke this support, that is a change of character. Then we say that this support is weak, this resistance is strong. So we expect that there is a new trend forming. That's how a trend develops. We need a lower low for a downtrend and we need a higher high for an uptrend. Currently, the market is on an uptrend. Let me draw the uptrend channel. Let me drop the uptrend channel from here. This high is higher than this high. So from here, I'm looking at the weekly chart. This is the trend line. This is the trend line. I don't expect that the market will break that high. So this is the trend line. Remember, this is another support for that trend line. That's the midpoint of the channel. So these are different supports. We have support around here, 95,000. We have another support at around there. But this is a major support. This is, you see that there is another support here, which is the low of this channel. So we have different support, but currently the price is the market is at the resistance. And looking at my oscillator, it is in the overbought region. Price is in the overbought region. So we expect some pullback, we expect some sell-off. But in the month of March, we expect that the market will still uh, go down further for its support. Then at that support, we can now see new investors, new traders coming in to buy. So until then, that is what the market is currently saying. So this is the update of the NGX for today. See you tomorrow for another video.